Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome to Block Time, the app. Guys, Block Time promises real life money, okay? Just to, I guess, match some blocks together. Now, we all know how this goes. The app promises money, but can it deliver? I highly doubt it. Now, the biggest problem I have with apps like this, they make you have a minimum cash out reward, okay? That is never really going to be achieved. And even if it does be achieved by hacking or cheating or whatever reason, if you actually sit through for literally months on end to grind up the in-game currency that it requires to cash out $10 PayPal cards, $25 PayPal cards, $50 PayPal cards, you're never going to win. Dude, I can almost guarantee this app's going to be a scam, dude. 100%. Do you know how you can know? When it spams you with ads every 2 minutes or even 1 minute. Let's have a thorough look here and let's find out together how this is going to go, okay? Here we go. So, what am I doing? I'm merging blocks. Okay, easy enough. Done. Easy. Let me merge it there. Easy. Easy. Okay. Alright, collect. $5 PayPal reward. Now, if this is a scam, if this is one of these scam apps, bro, you watch this. It's going to make me watch advertisements to start collecting these PayPal rewards, okay? So just keep that in mind. Here we go. $5. Here we go. Okay, we're back. Now it looks like we're on our own here. Have to try and do this on our own. Okay, no worries, no worries. I'll put this in the corner there. There we go, done. I don't really care about this, like, playing it properly, by the way, guys. That doesn't really concern me, playing this app properly, by any means. So, let me just try and do this here. I'll put that there. Okay, we've got a whole bunch of diamonds everywhere here. Let me put that there. Done. Lucky rewards. Times 600 diamonds. Spin. So, here's the problem, everyone. You saw how many diamonds you need to cash out. You need like 600,000 or more to get some pretty good money here of PayPal, okay? Look at this. It makes you watch an ad to get 600 of them. If I don't watch this ad, I only get 60 diamonds, okay? Keep that in mind. 600 diamonds or 60 diamonds? Which one would you choose, okay, if you're trying to grind up the money? Here's the first big problem with this app. I'm not going to watch an ad, though. I'm just going to collect the normal $60 here, okay? Done. Okay, good. Now what? Let's go here. I'm going to keep on putting down these little blocks over and over again. Wonderful. Done. Where else can I go here? Let me just try and put this all together. I'm actually doing pretty solid right now. Look at that. 500 diamonds again. Nope. Not going to watch an ad. I refuse to. So many people on the Play Store I've seen have been angry with this app, bro. Legitimately. It's insane. So, obviously, they're trying to trick people with their advertisements promising real money. It frustrates me so much. Look, here we go again. $200 you need to exchange, man. You're never going to get that $200, bro. Like, it's ridiculous. How are these apps allowed to survive on the Play Store? Like, they're all the same. Look, wow, you get a free chest. I have to watch the ad, though. No thanks. Give up. I refuse to watch any ads so far, guys. And we're still on 5 PayPal dollars right now. So keep that in mind, okay? Still have not watched one ad yet. Yet to be prompted with any other PayPal money just yet, though. Interesting enough. Yeah, that's a big win there. 700 diamonds. Nope. Collect. I don't want to watch an ad. Keeps prompting me to watch those ads, bro. Really is not giving up, is it? It's pretty funny, dude. There again. 10 times. 500 diamonds. Incredible. Look at this, man. Look, it's just constantly telling me, oh, yeah, you get diamonds, but you have to watch an ad, bro. No. No app. That's not a good way of designing an app, man, when you force people to watch ads all the time. I'm sorry. And, again, spin, spin, spin. Watch an ad. So dumb, everyone. Let's look at the maths here, okay? If I don't even know how to get out. I don't even know how to go back to the main menu. $5 exchange. No. Where's the menu? I want to see the coin menu. I click on the diamonds and I can't even see that menu anymore that I was looking at earlier. Whatever then. I'll just keep playing, dude. You know, apps like this just infuriate me. How they're able to get away with all this. Again, spin to get the diamonds. Nope. I'm on 690 diamonds right now, by the way. All because I'm refusing to watch an ad. It's the biggest joke, man. Please, guys, don't fall victim to these scams. These apps are jokes, and it makes me so frustrated. Legit. You'd be surprised how angry I can get on these apps, man, because it's just, they're ripping off the players, bro. Now what? Here we go. Put that there. Another win. Let me get spin. Nope, I didn't even get the spin prompt then. Good. Okay, let me put this here. There we go. Collect. $3 PayPal reward. Thank you. Haven't been prompted yet to watch an ad, though, okay? Just remember that. We have not been prompted yet, which is very good. Usually they spam you with it. But I guarantee it's coming. They'll make me watch an ad soon to get that money. They have to, bro. It's just how they work. I'm not going to stop till we get there, guys. Trust me, we'll get there. There we go. Nice. I'm not going to watch an ad. Nope. Not going to collect. No, thank you. Good. Not going to collect again. Nope. Almost at 1,000 diamonds here, everyone. So we're doing pretty good. But yet again, it's just constantly telling me to watch ads. 600 diamonds, everyone. Just remember that. 600 diamonds you need. I've only clocked up 1,000 in 5 minutes. Can you imagine how long you'd have to grind this app for to get the diamonds, dude? Do you know what a joke that is? Do you know what a scam and a fix this is, bro? You got to think about that carefully here. Just an absolute sham. Sham of an app. You're not going to win real life money from this, everyone. I'm sorry. No way. It's a joke. 100% a joke, bro. Like, would you sit here, honestly, and grind up this, like, for this long? Seriously, bro? Look, here we go. Here we go. I knew it. I knew it was going to happen. $5. Collect. I have to watch the ad to get the $5. No, I'm not watching the ads. Here we go. Now it's paywalled me. It's completely stopped me. It stopped me from earning money right now just then. It actually banned me because I didn't, or it refused to give me the money because I refused to watch the ad. Isn't that hilarious, dude? You gotta think about how silly that is, dude, as a practice on an app. Like, why? Why are they allowed to do that, developers? It's so annoying, dude. And they promise real life money as well. Can you imagine the poor people have wasted their time on this app, bro? Seriously, I feel so bad for them, man. Nowhere to put this. Okay, oh, it's game over. There we go. Whatever. Whatever, bro. Yeah, watch an ad revive. Nope, give up. It's a joke. It's an absolute joke, man. Spin the wheel. Is a lucky spin wheel here? Let's see. What do we get? 100 diamonds. Ooh, la la. Wow, they've even done double diamonds there as well. Really, app? Come on, bro. I can keep spinning the wheel here, everyone. Let's see what we get, eh? If there are reviews for this that I can find, by the way, I will put them on the video, guys. Just remember that, okay? I like to put people's reviews, like their honest reviews on these apps. It's hilarious. People get so mad on the Play Store because they always get scammed, bro. It's an absolute joke. It really is, truly. I'm just hoping one day Google actually bans these things. It's just so frustrating. Look at that, I'm glitching out the app by pressing it so many times. Look at this. Dude, I'm glitching out the app. Look, everyone. Dude, what? I'm breaking it. I'm breaking the app. 0. I got nothing. Did I really get nothing? Yeah, I got nothing. What a great app, bro. Tasks. Special tasks. Get free rewards. Tap joy. And special offers. Huge rewards. Add ad. So if you click on these, you get rewarded, guys. If you click on the ads. Which is technically... It's against terms of service to make you click on ads, by the way. Just an FYI. You're not allowed to do that on Play Store, bro. And a video chest to watch an ad. It's a joke. This app's a joke, guys. Look at the diamonds. Look at the renew... Look at this joke, bro. Oh my lord. Really? Really? 686,000 coins to get $50. Not coins, diamonds. And I'm only on 1,400. Block time. Are you like on planet Mars, bro? Developers, are you on Mars? Either way, I'm getting off this app. I'm deleting it. Never seeing it again. It's a scam, guys. Don't play this. It's a joke. See you in the next money-making video, guys. Stay safe out there. Check out my videos on my channel for more updates, okay? Catch you around. See you later.